Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin or BTC on Trading212 app easily. But before we get started, please be advised that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. So first things first, you want to open your Trading212 app, and then from the home screen, you want to tap on the magnifying glass at the center, this one, right below your screen, and then you want to search for Bitcoin. Just type in BTC, and then you want to scroll down until you can see Bitcoin. There we go. So currently, as you can see, we only have the view only option, but that is right. Well, by the way, this is based on their website. While the FCA is lifting its restrictions from October 8, 2025, the actual trading of these products can only begin once the ETN issuers have their prospectus approved and the instruments are officially listed for retail trading. They said that they're currently monitoring the situation closely and they'll make these products available as soon as the providers launch them. But in the meantime, we can prepare our accounts by completing the approval process that they have on their website. So yes, before you can begin trading crypto assets on Trading212, we must verify our identity first and foremost and then pass the appropriateness test that they have. So basically, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!